Hi everybody, welcome. It's Scarlet Pete's Self-Sufficiency. Today I'm flat packing a tree because we need some firewood and sadly this tree's died. I'm going to be using a chainsaw and cutting up the tree. Quite proud of myself being able to chainsaw and be self-sufficient like this. It can be a bit of an achy job. Takes it out of you. You get achy shoulders and sore joints. But it's a way of keeping fit. And a way to keep warm too, twice. Once when you cut it, and once when you sit in front of the fire and enjoy it. This tree had died right in the middle of where we're going to plant some lucerne, so it needed to come down out of the way. That's a big lump. And there's another huge lump here. And I'm quite strong, so I can pick them up. We use large logs for keeping the wet fire in at night in the winter time. And the dogs join in and help me pack it all on the trailer. The young pup's doing well. They're both American Staffordshire's, or Amstaffs for short. And they're happy to work and help you. We take all the wood away, we won't leave anything behind. We'll use the large wood for nighttime use, the middle wood for the daytime, and the small sticks to start the fire with. And the chainsaw wood, the sawdust that we make, goes on the fire and into the compost heap. We can put it in a bag and put it on the fire to keep it overnight, or we can use it on the compost heap. Quite heavy, this lump, but I'm a strong old girl. As I say, it keeps you fit. Always use my steel toe caps though, just in case one lands on my foot. Wouldn't like to drop this on my foot. This was quite heavy actually. Decided to bring the trailer closer. Save my back. Doesn't quite go to plan getting it on the trailer, but I get there in the end. Lily's laughing at me. There we go. Girl power. Time to go do some maintenance on the chainsaw. There we go. So the chain oil's run out, so we need to put some oil in there. Petrol's run out, so we're running on a mixture of oil and petrol. The blade will need a bit of a sharpen up. We sharpen the blade on both sides, or chain really, not a blade. And we're ready for work again. Now I'm at the front of the house where we've got some trees growing right up against the wall. It's a big tree that we need to get down. You'll see it in a minute. Got to pull that down and make sure it doesn't damage the tree, it doesn't damage the roof. And there you go, right where I wanted it. Lil's helping me pack the trailer today. She's been poorly, so I wouldn't let her work too hard. Nice little bit of a slow-mo shot there. Got to look good, doesn't it? My dynamic daughter. And the dynamic dogs. We got Bonnie, the Amstaff, who's 6 months old. Sissy, the old girl, who's a good 10-year-old Chinese crested. And we got Bella, the Amstaff, as well, who's about 2 years old. But Bonnie's always trying to kill my gloves. Runs off with them or bites holes in them. Time to go home. Got this load to take home, and then we'll chop it up for firewood. Get it all packed away in the same day. Because who knows what we'll be up to tomorrow. Bonnie. Bonnie's always ready for a hug. Saw plenty deer on the way home. Dogs enjoyed seeing them too. Cat's inspecting the load. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, give me a comment so I know you're there. Come back soon. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye.